G Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto, welcome to my YouTube channel. Someone was just thanking me a while ago for my YouTube video. Why don't you be a part of the family, join in and then subscribe, help a brother out. Anyway, this car is a 2022. Wow. Hyundai Tucson. Can you imagine 44,000 or 46,000 mileage? The starter is already gone. Korean vehicle. Be careful. Who named this anyway? Hyundai Tucson. Discover Point. Anyway, I'm just kidding. So I'm going to bring you guys along and show you how to do this job. It's not quite a difficult job to do, but it's doable. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Support your boy in any way you can. It takes one to know one. It takes two to tango. Anyway, I haven't said that. Big apple. We're in the big apple. Big apple. Adam eat the apple. Eve eat the apple. Where did they get us? Anyway, don't eat the apple. I'm just kidding. All right, Big Shelly, let's come and show you exactly where the starter is located and what's going to take this to do this. I haven't said that. Booyah, KG, let's go. We're getting it right now. All right, so to do this job, this intake is going to come out. To do it efficiently, you have to do the job properly if you're a good mechanic. This thing is going to come out. Don't try to sneak in, going underneath, don't let the car fall on you. Anyway, this vehicle has let me show you, the intake has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just 6 bolts that you need to take out. I'm going to show you what the bolt looks like. This is the bolt. You have 4 of these and you have 2 nuts, just like that. Then you have some connectors here. One here. I took out the troller body, make it easy for me. Then there's one here I'm going to show you. Let me bring you guys. Once you take off this, voila, you're on the ball game. You are right at the money. Once you take off that. Yeah, how you doing? So now we come here to show you exactly what we'll be looking at. So when you look down here, see, this is where the intake is going. So there's a 2 bolt here, just 2. You take off that. You take off this, you disconnect this. This one, I just take it out completely. I take it out from here. The hoses, those are easy. Before you start, make sure you disconnect the battery. Don't go and blow up yourself and say KG don't tell you what you need to do. So you see the starter. So this morning the car wasn't starting, so I kind of get some little pry bar in here, tap this little guy here, and the car started. So the reason why I'm saying don't try to go underneath there. There is no space. You can't even do that. Don't just forget about that. Just come to the top here. The bolt is just going to be right there, 2 bolts. We disconnect this guy right here. We disconnect this guy. The starter is out. Voila. Bingo. Let me get tools now and we start operating on this guy. KG, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. All right, so the starter, I take off this already. Lose that. So the starter is on his way out. There's the starter right there. There you have it. So one thing I will advise you, right? You see there is a 2 bolt holding the starter. One is right here and one is on top. The top one, you can get to the top one with a long deep well socket, but the one right there, you can even lose the top one with a flat 14 flat. But the one up here, down here, I have to use this guy, and you have to be careful when you're using this. Once you break it loose, you lose it. You have to be careful so that the socket, so that this thing don't jam on the wall. Then you can't be able to take this out. Pay attention to that. If not, you will lose it to a point. This thing hits on that transmission there. There's no way it's coming out. Then you stop. Now you have to start tying it back. If not, you'll be doing all of that. Somebody will travel to Africa and come back. I still be doing it. Anyway, so the starter is out. We're going to match it up and see if we have the right starter, and then we'll go ahead and start to put this thing back on. KG, stay tuned. Let me get the starter. So this is the starter I bought. Please don't hold me to it. He bought it, I did not. We just want to make sure it's the same thing. I believe it's the same starter. I said KG, you're gonna go back in there and put the starter. This one is made in Korea, this one coming up. This one is made in Mexico. Anyway, we have the starter, we have the right one. Everything looks the same. We're gonna go back in there and put this guy in. It's just I can't be able to be doing all of that videoing at the same time. Monday is always a busy day for KG. Please don't start writing me now and say, KG, you didn't show this, you didn't show you see what I'm saying? I'm penetrating oil so things can go a little well. Alright, so the starter is right there now. So the starter goes in like so. See, that's so we're gonna just, I'll trade that one and start working. KG. Alright, the starter is back in there now. So we're gonna reconnect this. Put that one in right here. Sorry about the shaking video. Nobody's here for KG to help KG out. KG working with one hand, doing everything with one hand. That one is in there. I'll put this guy back in here. I'll put that bolt, that nut right there, and we'll come back, KG. All right, so now we're gonna put back the intake. This is the intake. So there is a bolt inside there. I left that one there. So we're gonna try to put the boy back in, just like that. Go back in there now. I'll make some room there for KG. Let's go. I'm going down. There she come, baby. There she come. There she come. Pull this one back a little bit. Plane is about to land right now. There we go. There she goes. She's all the way. Welcome to New York. Plane just landed. Plane landed, man, successfully. Plane landed successfully. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York City. So we got all those boats. So I'm gonna run those boats down and bring you guys back and round up this shit. KG, stay tuned for more. We're doing it. All right, the car just started. Beautiful, running well. The job went smoothly. I cannot be more thankful and grateful to God. Anytime you work on a vehicle, if everything went well, always be grateful, because sometimes you can be working and end up getting in trouble instead of fixing the car. But I'm grateful that everything went well. Like I said, it's a fairly easy job. If you have one to do and you don't know how to get around, please make sure you contact KG. Like I said before, recap. It's just 6 bolts here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 nuts. And right under this intake, there's a 2 bolt coming in. So you have to go from under it to take off that, you know. This one, I just lose this 10, lose this, and take out this. You know, it's surprising, like even the car is about 40 something thousand miles. The starter went already. That's shocking. But anyway, question, comments, you know what to do. Please support your boy by subscribing, and if you have one of these to do, don't forget to reach out to KG. We're mobile. We'll come to you while you're drinking your tea. KG, love you all. Peace. I am gone.